Hello and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on data analysis in quasi-experimental research in English language teaching using Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, we will provide an example of a quasi-experimental research study and show you how to use Microsoft Excel to analyze the data. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a better understanding of how to conduct a quasi-experimental research study in ELT and analyze the data using Excel. Example research study. Title: The effectiveness of task-based language teaching on speaking proficiency of Iranian EFL learners. Research questions. 1. Does task-based language teaching improve the speaking proficiency of Iranian EFL learners? 2. How do Iranian EFL learners perceive task-based language teaching in improving their speaking proficiency? Objectives. 1. To investigate the effectiveness of task-based language teaching on speaking proficiency of Iranian EFL learners. 2. To examine the perceptions of Iranian EFL learners towards task-based language teaching in improving their speaking proficiency. Research instrument. 1. Pre-test and post-test speaking proficiency assessments. 2. A Likert scale questionnaire to measure students' perceptions towards task-based language teaching. Data analysis for each research question. Research question 1. To analyze the data for research question 1, we will use a paired samples t-test in Excel to compare the mean scores of the pre-test and post-test assessments of speaking proficiency. We will use the following steps. 1. Enter the pre-test and post-test scores in separate columns. 2. Calculate the difference between the two scores using the formula equals post-test score, pre-test score. 3. Calculate the mean difference using the formula equals average, difference column. 4. Calculate the standard deviation of the differences using the formula equals STDEV, difference column. 5. Calculate the t-value using the formula equals t. Test. Array 1, Array 2, tails, type, where Array 1 is the pre-test scores column, Array 2 is the post-test scores column, tails is the number of tails, usually 2, and type is the type of t-test, usually 1 for paired samples t-test. 6. Interpret the results and draw conclusions. Research question 2. To analyze the data for research question 2, we will use descriptive statistics in Excel to summarize the responses of the Likert scale questionnaire. We will use the following steps. 1. Enter the Likert scale questionnaire responses in a column. 2. Calculate the frequency of each response using the formula equals COUNTIF, column, response, where column is the column with the questionnaire responses and response is the Likert scale response, e.g. strongly agree. 3. Calculate the percentage of each response using the formula equals frequency, total number of responses. 4. Create a bar graph to visually represent the data. 5. Interpret the results and draw conclusions. Conclusion. In conclusion, conducting a quasi-experimental research study in ELT and analyzing the data using Microsoft Excel can be a powerful tool for understanding the effectiveness of teaching methodologies. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can conduct your own research study and analyze the data using Excel. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.